We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button to them when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock falling, and the overall market was sitting sideways and slightly pulling downwards. But it wasn't the only stock falling. We also had Tesla fall, and our Tesla bot sent us out a bear indicator at 9:30 a.m., literally at the bell. And from that moment forward, put options were up 3x to 10x on the day. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, our SPY bot, the QQQ bot, newly released Tesla bot, and we have other bots on the way, so you can receive that clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility and join the members using this resource to maximize within the volatility in either direction by receiving that edge and clarity over the charts. So Bbig stock is almost forming here a triple bottom, and we need to talk about this support level here and what key levels below that if it crosses it, and to the upside as well. But before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning, and one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was ALVR. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was sitting sideways, and it was going back into strength towards the bell, got that bull indicator, and took off to a highest point of 30% plus, guys, in a matter of minutes. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc., almost forming here a triple bottom as we see it, right? Hitting these support levels and bouncing off of them, and almost forming strength there where the bears are having trouble bringing this down even further. Now, if they do break through it, we have some key levels to talk about, but if the bulls can hold it up, just based off 42 vision, it's looking very interesting, and it's going to be important to watch these levels specifically going into tomorrow and even this week. Now, I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and our newly released Tesla bot, and there's other bots on the way, so you can receive that clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities in either direction. And you can join now the members using these resources to maximize within the volatility by receiving that edge and clarity within the charts. So here we are with Bbig stock having a bear indicator as of today at $2.60, and it's been pulling downwards all the way back to the 240s. That's almost a 10% drop so far. Now, we did get a bull indicator yesterday, and it went from the 250s up to the 270s. So the stock has been pretty volatile the last several days, and it's fighting to try to get itself back up. And as I stated in yesterday's video, based off 42 vision, it went from white with red borders to bright green, and we needed to see if this transition continued upwards or it was going to do a transition back downwards, right? Because 42 vision lets us see the dips and lets us see the rips and when things may turn back around. And it started right here, and the bear indicator confirmed it. And now we're again in a dip area on the 30-minute. This is why it's going to be very important to watch this going into tomorrow, because it could try to bring itself back up, but not every single dip is as strong on its reversals than others, right? These two were pretty strong here, almost 10 to 20% move, almost 10 to 20% move as well. So this one was weaker. Could this one be as strong as the others or weaker? we'll have to see going into the volatility and so forth. But at least we know right now on the 30-minute and within the volatility, we've hit a dip area, hitting those white with red borders back to back. Now, on the 4-hour, we have to go ahead and see how things are looking. And on the 4-hour, we have been under a bear indicator since way up here at $3.05. We've talked about how every single time it tries to come back up, we need to see this 4-hour get canceled out by a bull indicator. If not, all of these right here are just dead cat bounces, fake outs, or just momentum that is short-lived with no real strength. And this bear indicator has been dominating all along since the 305 mark. Even when it tried to come back up, I always stated it, we need to watch it carefully. And every single time we hit that dip area, which is white with red borders, we tend to have a bounce, and we've had 2 bounces back to back, but no bull indicator coming up to negate this bear indicator. Now, we've been tracking this 4-hour very closely, and today we are going to look at the 1-day. If a bear indicator has not popped up, that bull indicator is pretty strong. But if a bear indicator has popped up, that bull indicator has been canceled down. And here we have it. I hadn't even looked at the 1-day just yet. We're looking at this together here. And this bull indicator is still holding up here all along this whole transition to the downside. So as long as no bear indicator pops up here, in the bigger picture of things, this bull indicator since $2.31 is still dominating over the chart. And you can look at it here how this was pretty steep, and all of a sudden it's slightly leveling off. Now, BBIG has to come back up with strength and shift into breaking through resistance levels, and a bull indicator on the 4-hour and the 30-minute together with this 1-day to signify real strength to the upside. Now, it's sitting sideways, still under a bear indicator on the 4-hour, but this 1-day bull indicator has been holding true. But the overall direction here within the 4-hour has been to the downside since $3.05. Now, in the volatility, the 30-minute, it just got a bear indicator today. We've gone down 20 cents, but it looks like it's trying to triple bottom here, and we need to watch this going into tomorrow if it's going to move with strength and get a bull indicator on that reversal here on the 30-minute, and is it going to pull up the 4-hour with it? And on the 1-day, as we saw, it is holding itself up pretty strong. So if this breaks through the 240s, right, which is the lowest point we've seen so far, and it's nearly triple bottom here at this level, the next level is 228. That is going to be a significant level to the downside to see if the bears are dominating or if the bulls are having strength, if they can bounce off of that or avoid altogether even going in that direction. Now, to the upside, we want to see this break above 264 and yesterday's high of 269. If you want to round that up to 270, you can. And then 277, and we can start talking about the 290s. And specifically, $3 is a key level of resistance that the bulls need to break through and turn into a support. And to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, our newly released Tesla bot, and there's many more bots on the way to get connected to the Discord. It sends us direct notifications to give us that edge and clarity within the charts, and you can receive this edge and clarity that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to these resources and join the members using these resources, receiving that edge and clarity within the volatility to the markets, whether stocks are jumping up, going down, bearish or bullish. No FOMO, no chasing, just focused on what really matters and maximizing within those moves. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make